silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row, just walking the dogs, just walking that dog. And if you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk the dog.
I'm Theo Bunch. This is the Salle Education Center at Art Farm. Art Farm is a community garden, urban farm that's meant to feed the high school good, nutritious, organic, local food. And what happened today was a huge community work party where we had about 55, 60 volunteers out, and we constructed all of this. So this is going to be the big producer. We're going to be growing potatoes as our staple crop, sweet potatoes, and then tomatoes, green beans, anything you can imagine, anything that the chef wants. And then cook it up, eat well. Is that good? All right.
And if you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to walk that dog.
My name is William Clark. Whole reason I was out here, I really didn't know what was going on. I got on my volunteer work. I just woke up this morning, just doing my exercise routine like I usually do. Saw what was going on. I came outside, asked the woman if I needed an extra hand. Said no problem. I came over here, didn't know what I was getting into. Found out what it was about. Vegetables, garden, like I love it, man. I like helping out. I like the extra hand. I just like the whole point of planting things, like plus the vegetables, carrots, you know, fruit, all things like that. Like I'm a big gardener myself. My mom was a gardener, so like this helping out, making the garden, like it's pretty much fun to me. Like it's a lot of fun, so I'm getting a lot of fun out of it pretty much, and a good workout. So yeah, I'm loving it out here, man. I'm glad to be here today. I really am.
Sunshine is all you see now. Oh, but it all looks like rain to me. Yeah, so I sit in my room, staring out at the gloom. It's the rain and the same old blue. Sunshine is all you see now.
These rows with the marks, they're going to be tire planters for potatoes and sweet potatoes. So those are going to be about 4 tires high when it's all done. The middle section is going to be bread making or community gathering space. Hopefully bread making, we just got to get it improved. And then planter. We'll just have the big cedar planters, and you see where Kevin goes out, the big cedar planters will be going heading that way. So that'll be a bunch more space.
And the same, whoa, blue.